Hey, what's going on, guys? That's Close 69 here, and today we got a review on the Jordan 4, the Fire Red Cements. Right here, baby. Got my hands on them. They had them at Champs. They were in stock. Couldn't believe it, but they were. So I went ahead and got them. But anyways, let's get to what's inside the box. As you can see, it comes in a pretty cute box right here. Jordan flag. Jumpman logo, cement, bottom box with the bottom part of it, like air. Let's get to what's inside. It comes with a regular paper, and then on the other paper, the other wrapping is cement. Pretty cute. I like that. As for the shoes, this is how they come. No extra laces, I don't think. Nope. Comes with this tag, the Nike tag. I thought it would be the thick plastic one, but this one's just a thin plastic. Right off the bat, man, all I can say is these look fucking fire. The tag, the red lower, the air bubble black, classic color. The only thing that I was looking at is this fucking leather. It looks like somebody walked in them already, tried them on and creased the hell out of them, or I don't know if they all, it's kind of weird that they would crease both, but it looks like my foreskin and shit. But yeah, what can you say about them? Nice shoes. Got the tab, the Nike Air on the back. Shit looks fire, boy. That black and red inside the tongue. Air Jordan. The other one too. Nike Air. Bottom you got Nike instead of the Jumpman logo, or I think. I don't know what they usually have. Overall, these are gonna be pretty easy to rock, pretty legit. Oh, what the fuck is this? Y'all see that? What the fuck is that? Oh, hell no, I'm about to return them. So they're gonna be pretty easy to match, at least with, for me, I got a lot of red, I got a lot of black shirts, a lot of jackets, hoodies. But this is a classic 4’s. Who doesn't know how to rock these? Am I right? The materials are it's pretty much all leather, except for the mesh right here and the plastic. Everything's leather. That's what I like about them. Should be easy to clean. Won't be too scared to rock them, even though there's a lot of white. The laces probably gonna be the easiest to get dirty. The leather should be able to clean it right off. Nothing, no suede, nothing, no nubuck. So notice, like, why do they even call these the cements, man? There's only like one piece of gray right here. Everything is just white, red, and black. But enough on the details. Let's get to what these bad boys look like on feet. Shee. All right, and this is what they look like on feet. Overall, I like them. Creasing, the little creasing was minor. I just got the laces tucked in right now, but a little weird, and mostly all white shoes, but they're gonna be easy to match. Some black skinny jeans, some blue skinny jeans with the white shirt. They're gonna be easy to rock. Overall, I say these sneakers are definitely a cop, a win, fire. They go with so much. They go with everything. Black, red, white. Everybody has black t-shirts and white t-shirts. Go with blue jeans, shorts. So this is a definite cop. Y'all can't tell me these ain't fire. Y'all are lying if y'all say they're not. One of the classics. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Please like and subscribe. I need more clout. I couldn't get these early, but we're gonna keep on trying to get some clout out here. But yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Little Dick Gang. We actually know I got these in 10 because they were tight. That's one other thing. They were kind of tight on me. The ones that I have are 9.5. They hurt my feet right here pretty bad. I mean, they're wearable, but it'll just tire my feet out. and I got these in 10, and they feel a little bit more comfortable. Yeah, 10.5 would have been too big. 10's probably just right on. So I don't know if it's just my foot because it hurts right here. The 4's run small, or the pair that I got sucked. No, because I tried them on in 9.5, and I was like, nope, I'm not getting these again. In 9.5, so I got them in size 10. They're comfy so far. Haven't really worn them very much, as you can see. But yeah.